If your ML350 is overheating, don't ignore it. Overheating is one of the fastest ways to destroy an engine. Today, I'll show you exactly how to diagnose cooling system failure before it does irreversible damage. An overheating ML350 isn't a random problem. It always has a cause, usually something simple. Catch it early, and you avoid engine warping, blown head gaskets, and expensive repairs. Watch out for these early warning signs. Temperature needle climbing over halfway, coolant boiling or bubbling, burning, coolant smell, steam from engine bay, frequent coolant loss, radiator fan running constantly or not coming on at all. These symptoms mean the cooling system is failing somewhere. Section 2. Common causes of cooling system failure, 1 to 150. Here are the most reported reasons the ML350 overheats. Low coolant level, faulty radiator fan or fan clutch failing, water pump stuck, thermostat blocked, radiator cracked, coolant reservoir air pockets in the cooling system, damaged hoses, or coolant leaks. Section 3. Step-by-step diagnostic guide, 150 to 340. Let's diagnose the overheating step by step. If it's low, you already have a leak or air in the system. Look for cracks around the seams, very common on ML350s. Switch on the AC. If the fan doesn't engage, the fan motor, relay, or fuse may be bad. Hot upper hose but cold lower hose often means the thermostat is stuck closed. Inspect underneath the engine, around the water pump area, and at hose joints. Listen for whining noise or wobbling from the pump pulley. Debris or internal buildup limits coolant flow. This causes sudden temperature spikes. Here are repairs you can perform at home. Top up coolant and inspect for leaks. Replace cracked coolant reservoir. Replace thermostat. Replace radiator cap. Remove debris from radiator fins. Bleed the cooling system to remove air. These simple steps fix more than half of overheating complaints. Some problems require attention from a technician. Water pump replacement, radiator replacement, cooling fan motor replacement, heater core, or internal blockage repairs. Severe leak tracing with pressure test. If your ML350 is overheating, don't guess. Follow this checklist and you'll know exactly where the problem is. Drop your symptoms in the comments and I'll help diagnose it. Subscribe for more ML350 repair guides and practical DIY troubleshooting. If you want, I can also create